Hola mi gente and welcome back to Sticky Counters, a show where you will learn everything there is to know about cocktails and how to make them at home. I'm your host Carlos Ruiz, and today we're going to be making a Mezcal Mule, not a Moscow Mule. So, two mules walk into a bar. Mezcal, Moscow. Which one would you order? Leave a comment below and let me know. So let's get into it. An easy cocktail to make at home. All you need is 3 ingredients. You're gonna need lime, ginger beer, and mezcal. So what is mezcal? Well, mezcal can only be made in Oaxaca, Mexico, just like tequila can only be made in Jalisco, Mexico. Also, mezcal can be made from a wide variety of agave plants, while tequila can only be made from one specific plant, the blueberry agave. Have you ever wondered why mezcal has that smoke flavor? Well, what they do is that they have an earth pit. It's completely lined with lava rocks, and they throw the agave plant inside, and then it's being smoked. And that's what gives it that signature mezcal taste. All right, we're gonna start by adding half an ounce of fresh lime juice. And then the star of the show, El Silencio Mezcal. We're gonna put 2 ounces. So we're gonna fill up our jigger all the way to the tippy top. Now let's grab some ice. And it's time to shake. Crack it open. Let's grab our copper mug. We're going to strain the cocktail. And now we're gonna fill the cup with ice. And now we just top it off with some ginger beer. Easy as that. All the way to the tippy top. And now for garnish, you could do a lime wheel, a lime wedge, but I actually like rosemary. And the reason I like the rosemary sprig is because it's bringing all those flavors together of the mezcal and it's tying that delicious cocktail. We're gonna put it right on top. And if you wanna get a little bit crazier, you could even light this on fire. And now we're just lighting up the rosemary for all the aromatics. You could just smell it, smoking, super delicious, and it just looks cool too. And there you have it, a Mezcal Mule, not a Moscow Mule.